Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make my easy crockpot chicken pot pie. Wow, that was a mouthful. Okay, so to my crockpot I'm going to add 1 package of frozen mixed vegetables, 1 cup of chopped onion. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning. Give everything a mix. I like to do this in stages. I have certain things I like to put first and then mix that up and then add the rest. Okay, next I'm going to add 1 can of condensed cream of chicken soup, one cup of chicken broth or stock, either one would work, and 1 cup of milk. You're going to mix that together again. Now this one is optional. Not everybody like potato in theirs, but I love potato. I need any excuse to eat potato. So here's a pro tip for you. When you cut up your potato, put it in some water and just let it sit in there until you're ready for it, and then it won't get brown on you. Just cut your potato into small cubes. You want to make sure everything is around the same size. Now that I have everything nicely mixed together, I'm going to add 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts to that. I like to just mix everything together first and then add the chicken breast. That way I can just set it in there and don't have to worry about it and try to mix it up. Cover it and let it cook on high for 4 hours. Okay, now the 4 hours is up. I'm going to take my chicken breast out and I'm going to shred them. Isn't this just the easiest chicken pot pie you've ever seen? I know it's not the traditional way, but it's just way too easy and so good. Now you can leave this just the way it is, but I like mine to be a little bit more soupy, so I'm going to add 1 more cup of milk. The reason I didn't add all the milk in the beginning is because sometimes milk tends to burn and you don't want that, so I prefer to just wait and add the extra cup. So I just went ahead and shredded my chicken and I'm just going to add it back to the pot. Give that 1 more stir and then you're done. How easy was that? I know it's officially fall right now, but it still doesn't feel like fall in Texas because Lord man, it's still hot. But I can't wait until it gets cold so I could enjoy this meal. Something about cooking in your crock pot in the colder weather, it's just the best. Now there are different ways to serve this. My husband likes it one way and I like it one way, so this is how he likes it. He likes to just put it in a bowl and then put a biscuit on the side. I think what I love most about this is just how easy it was, and it just tastes so good. I love meals like this. Anything I can make the easier way, I'm gonna make it. Maybe one day I'll attempt the real chicken pot pie, but not right now. I'm tired. Now this is how I like it. I like to just cut my biscuit in half and then put it over it. Let me know in the comments, how do you like yours? I know this way it doesn't look pretty. You know, it don't look so good this way. I'm starting to realize that, but it tastes good. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give this recipe a try. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.